Hi, I'm Ding 2, and this is Peach Pie. We are going to make chocolate chip cookies. Here's the ingredients. First, we have chocolate chip cookies. Second, brown sugar. Third, flour. Fourth, sugar. Fifth, vanilla. Sixth, eggs. Seventh, baking soda and salt. Today's equipment will be a mixer, a paper thingy, mixing spoons, a spatula, measuring spoons, cooling rack, and cookie pan. Today we're following the instructions on the back of our chocolate chip bag. We'll preheat the oven to 375.
Yeah.
First off, we're going to put the butter in the bowl. We're going to put 3-4 cups of sugar in. 3/4 cups of brown sugar in the bowl. Now we're going to mix the bowl until it's creamy. That's creamy. Now let's scrape the sides. Now we're going to add the eggs. Now we're going to beat the eggs. Now we're going to add the flour. Now we're going to add the baking soda. Now we're going to add the salt. Now we're going to add the vanilla. Now we're going to mix it gently. Next, we'll add the chocolate chips, but make sure you eat. Now our dough is ready, and we're now going to put it on the cookie sheet. I prepared my pan with parchment paper. Now we're going to put the dough on the pan. Now we're gonna put the pan inside the oven. Set the timer for 10 minutes. The next thing to do is wait. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. take the cookies out. The cookies are baked, and we're gonna let it cool a bit. Now we're gonna put it on the cooling rack. Now we'll put the next batch in. In the kitchen, you might get burned, so apply ice. Now we'll share a cookie with someone, or not.